So I'm on the Loreal website, LorealParisUSA.com. This palette says 12 captivating warm eyeshadow shades, variety of finishes from mattes to shimmering pearl for endless enchanting eyeshadow looks. L'Oreal Paris presents Paradise Enchanted eyeshadow palette. Get enchanted with 12 captivating warm eyeshadow shades, including creamy ivories, rosy nudes, bronzed ambers, and pop of coral pinks. From a range of shimmering pearls to a matte finish, you will have everything you need to create endless enchanting eyeshadow looks. The soft velvety texture allows for ultra blendable application and rich color payoff. Our scented eyeshadow palette is infused with enchanting fruit scent for an ultimate sensorial experience. The smell ain't no enchanting nothing. Not peach, I'm sorry. Does it feel good? Is it buttery? Is it velvety, as they say? Let's go ahead and swatch. Like an ivory color. It is definitely matte. I'm gonna add a little bit to it so you guys can see. I'm gonna try this one. What do I call it? Peachy? I'm gonna swatch all the mattes and then I'll do the shimmers. This one is more peach. You guys seen any colors at all? Any difference? And this, that's that one. Go for this one. The drugstores are doing really good lately, I must say. Ooh, super fallouts, guys, super fallouts. Next, this. The fallouts are, they're there. You're gonna have to do your eyes first before you do your face. Or let's go ahead and swatch the shimmers now. I'm gonna start with this pretty one here that gives me champagne vibes. Next, let's try this one. That gives me like some gold vibes, gold and silver. Next, I'm gonna try this one. Wait. Yeah. This has shimmery, but this shimmer, not so great. Oh, I suck at swatching. Look at that. Next shimmer is that one. I definitely like that. It has some iridescent looks to it. Bronzy looking one. I like that. Ooh, pretty. Now, mind you, this is $11.43 in Walmart, but on the L'Oreal Paris website, it's $14.99. Why is that? Can somebody explain that to me?